In this video clip, we will be assembling our sides. We're going to start by laying out our first side, and we want the bad side up. So if there's any marks on the wood or any imperfections, you want that to be facing up, because when we put our back piece on, it'll cover it up. First, we're going to go ahead and put some glue on our legs and do that for the entire length of that leg. Spread it around a little bit just so our back piece adheres a little better. Once you got that glue on, go ahead and slide your back piece on top of it. Now you want this edge to be flush for our leg and our back piece. You want it to be flush along the side. Next, we're going to take our pin nailer and put a couple pin nails in. And do that at a couple points down the line. This is just going to help hold that together while the glue dries. Next, I'm going to glue my other side as well, just like I did the first one. Go ahead and slide my pieces together, making sure that it's flush on the top and the side. And then go ahead and put a couple pin nails in. Next, I've actually flipped over my project, and I'm going to go ahead and put some glue down. Next, I will slip those boards in place. And then I'm going to flip it around again. And make sure that this board gets flush with the bottom before I put a couple pin nails in. I'm going to do the same procedure for my top piece. Make sure that piece is flush, and then put a couple pin nails in. After covering up the holes with wood putty and sanding those, our two sides are finished.